firstly look at the OMC pack and HPCL, BPCL and IOC, all of them showing very good momentum. Couple of triggers that are coming in. News reports suggesting that the method for calculating losses for OMCs, that's likely to change. Also a diesel price hike that was announced last week, that's probably playing in on most of the OMCs. 4.5% increase for HPCL. BPCL also showing that kind of momentum. Over 5% increase coming in for an IOC too. Also take a look at financial technologies, and if we can pull up the intraday chart of that counter, in the last few minutes we've seen a sharp spike coming in and about 4% increase coming in on financial technologies. We spoke to our sources in the company. They're indicating that the equity exchange may actually be launched by the month end or early February, and that's probably taking the stock up 3% increase. The volume action also started showing some gain in the last few minutes, so keep an eye out for that one. Also take a look at Nalco. Some minor weakness that we are seeing in that stock. In fact, the entire metal pack is facing some kind of pressure. Nalco's cut their metal prices by about 2% from 1st of January. They're actually, it's an adjustment to LME levels that Nalco usually does at the start of the month. Globally too, we've seen a sell-off coming in base metals as well as some metal stocks in the US and Europe. So on the back of that, some weakness coming in on Nalco too. Also a small cap stock, Techpro Systems, 147 crore worth of order that they've received from the Amodar Valley Corporation. That's taking the stock up, and Techpro, I believe, gaining almost 3%, and the intraday chart 2.5%. In fact, the intraday chart will show you the spike that came in just after the announcement came in.